drones for development is an area I'm taking some interest. From that eye, I was looking at this little piece of technology, it's maybe slightly larger than a dragonfly. I was looking at it wondering what are the potential development impact can this one bring. Imagine we had a larger one, say about that big, that could carry 200-300 grams. So that means a super efficient battery and a light bulb that can be lit by the same battery for 8-9 hours. They can be very easily charged by a central solar panel. All they need is maybe 10-50 watt hour each. And then at the evening, a flick of a switch enables them to fly, and a predetermined GPS coordination, they can just hang themselves on a tree and can light up possibly 30-40 kilometers in remote rural areas, providing lights for 8 or 10 hours in the whole evening. And when they are about to be running out of battery, and fly back to the base station to be charged again for a duty next day. So then this drone can be in one place, get them charged. I was imagining like a 200 by 200, about 40,000 drones in one area. They get charged by a central solar power station, need not to be huge. This could be one fascinating piece of technology. Just imagine 40,000 of those light bulbs can connect up a large area off grid in the rural areas, public lighting, maybe a very unsafe place that no one wants to go, no one can go, but this can fly. This is very important, and that's where I think drones are very different, because all it needs a GPS coordinate. It doesn't care the weather, the temperature, the terrain, the rain, or even the mud. It's really fascinating.